When we have started CORE Diagnostics, the Indian diagnostic industry was not very innovative. So we have come up with a lot of innovative things. So currently we are in higher end plus basic diagnostic services, which comes under routine segment as well.
When I joined in 2017, what was the state of affairs? We had given our payroll to outside CA, who was actually using Excel sheets to derive the income tax calculation, and there were a lot of mistakes in that. Everyone was complaining to us. Now the experience today, I can tell you, like digital, we can see everything at the click of the button. Like I have to see my leave record or my team's leave records. In the income tax, I can get a declaration signed, agreed, and then I'm finally submitting the income tax proofs, and I'm seeing the income tax calculation for last 4 years at a click of button. I can see the CTC revisions.
The HR system has been come into place. We are in diagnostic industry wherein there are a lot of audits happening on regular basis. And CORE Diagnostics is a company which is accredited by CAP and NABL, wherein audit is very important, and Keka plays a very important role during the audit part, because we have to show the data along with the punch out time of the person who is entering the data. So all the things we are able to download from Keka, and that can be converted into the graph also. Keka is having a dashboard wherein it can be presented in form of graph as well. So directly you know not to do any analysis on the data, you can directly download that graph and you can present it to the management. So it is very easy for HR department to manage the stakeholder with different kind of data analysis. In performance management, earlier the organization didn't have goal of each of the person, and the organization was not able to review the performance of each of the employees.
You can configure the monthly, quarterly, or the half yearly or yearly performance goals along with the weightage, and employee can be asked to put their remarks on each of the points, and then we compute the final rating of the employee.
So the best part with Keka is managing the local compliance of that particular state. It is not easy for a human being, a HR, to know the compliance of each of the state, which we are getting concrete information from Keka.
It offers you the capabilities and the functionalities which no other software can provide you.